Hello everyone. Want to dive in the world of atoms? Are you curious to see what's inside the tiniest? The universe of its own. Welcome to Modern Physics. In this course, we are going to explore the world of atoms and what's inside them. Their models proposed by Nobel Prize winning models and how they failed. We are going to learn fundamentals of atoms and how they actually been, their mathematics and calculations of the models. Once we are done with it, we are going to learn the nuclei, the center of all atoms and molecules, its nature and what's present in them. About protons and neutrons at the center of the electrons orbiting around them, their energy and mass defect that occur to the radiation it emits, alpha, beta and gamma radiation basics and what and how they are produced, their powers and formations in radioactivity. And then we will see how nuclear reactors work, fission and fusion working and their hows and whys and whats. After that, we are going to learn Bohr's postulate for atoms and the story of longest controversy about light being particle nature or wave nature, Einstein's model of photoelectric effect that came from photoelectric story, observation and later in the experiment, and finally we will see de Broglie's law of duality in particles, that a particle can be both wave nature and particle nature. You can imagine it like solid in nature. In this course, I have tried to give the facts and the theory presenting in interactive storytelling format that is both fun and knowledgeable. We have covered mathematical formulas and derivation wherever it is required or feel necessity of with very basic and easy to understand format. We will cover the experiments and models to revive and relieve all the happening during the time of discovery by various scientists. All around that era, we are going to explore the world inside and become the atom and the modern physics by our own self. We are going to follow the investigative path in a great interactive formation. You will enjoy this course, and with that you will also be able to learn quite valuable information and theories that you can present in front of your audience, family, friends, and can also use to learn the modern physics in more advanced formats. And it will also be helpful in learning advanced topics on various other subjects. You can expect few more announcements in the future that I will update to you, as I am trying to keep this course dynamic in nature. So I will keep on adding the announcement that will I update about in the coming future, and I can only update to you if you are joining the course. So don't miss out and join the course now so that you do not miss any exciting announcement that's coming on the way of the future. And for now, what are you waiting for? Join now. You can start your learning today with just spending 15 minutes of commitment every day. This will going to be a ladder like, and you are going to step up one after another. I am going to be your mentor for the entire course, and I'm going to present you. And if you have any problem, just leave a message or comment your opinion. I welcome you all to come in a Q&A and ask your questions. I will try my best to answer all of them, and whichever is required, I will also make and add the lesson if the topic is enough vast. So see you in the course. Take care. God bless.